5 near genius dry shampoo hacks every girl should know about. Dry shampoos offer quick refreshment to oily, greasy hair and are essential in every woman's arsenal. If you are someone who doesn't like washing their hair too often, dry shampoos can be an easy fix. The mattifying ingredients in them latch onto the oil and dirt buildup on your scalp and remove them with a thorough brushing. But did you know there are other uses of dry shampoo too? We think not. Ahead, 5 uses of dry shampoo we bet you didn't know. 1. Add volume to thin hair. Don't like the heavy and unnatural feel of volumizing sprays on your mane? Replace them with dry shampoo. Spray a matte formula like the tinge Bed Head OB Hive Matte Dry Shampoo throughout your styled waves, and it can help volumize it. Dry shampoos add volume to your hair without weighing it down. 2. Add temporary tint to your hair. Look further from just the volumizing and texturizing goodness of dry shampoos and you'll find a chic styling gem in there. Colored dry shampoos can temporarily tint your hair with a natural hue. You can pick a color that is just a tad bit lighter to your own to add a tinge of highlights that'll stay till the next wash. 3. Prevent bangs from sticking to your forehead. Got cute bangs for the summer but they won't stop sticking to your forehead on hot days? Well, grab your can of dry shampoo and spray it on the underside of your bangs to keep them from latching onto the wet and oily grips of sweat. 4. Keep your hair accessories in place. Hair accessories like bobby pins or embellished studs can become a real nuisance if they keep slipping off. Spray them with dry shampoo before pinning them on your mane. One of the main ingredients in dry shampoo is kaolin, which can cloak any surface with mattifying goodness. All your hair accessories can be made less slick with a light dose of dry shampoo before use. 5. Separate your curls. Nobody is perfect and we all have, at some point, curled our tresses with the heat setting set too high. Result? Tight curls that don't look cute at all. One way to open up these tight-set ringlets is to spray them with dry shampoo to get them out of a clumpy mess and make them look more effortless. If loose open curls are your goals, then a dry shampoo can come in handy on a rainy day. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to us for more videos like this. I think you got these 5 near genius dry shampoo hacks. Please tell me in the comments section what you think is the best hack very special for you in this video.